In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Microsoft Word into a PowerPoint presentation in just a few clicks. If you've ever created a structured document in Word and wished you could instantly convert it into slides without copying and pasting everything manually, this is exactly what you need. This method is built directly into Microsoft Word, and once you enable it, you can convert documents into presentations in seconds. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that you want to convert into a PowerPoint presentation. For best results, make sure your document is properly formatted using headings. PowerPoint uses these headings to determine your slide titles and main content. So heading 1 will typically become your slide title, and heading 2, or body text, will become the slide content. Once your document is ready, go to the top left corner of Word and look for the Quick Access Toolbar. This is the small toolbar with icons like Save and Undo. On the right side of that toolbar, click on the small drop-down arrow. From the menu that appears, select Customize Toolbar. This will open the Word Options window. Inside the Word Options window, look for the drop-down labeled Choose Commands From. Click on that drop-down and select All Commands. This will display a complete list of every command available in Microsoft Word. Now scroll down through the alphabetical list of commands until you find Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Take your time scrolling because the list is long. Once you locate Send to Microsoft PowerPoint, click on it to select it. Then click on the Add button in the middle of the window. This will move the command to the Quick Access Toolbar on the right side. After you see it added to the list, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Now look back at the top left corner of Word. You'll see a new icon added to the Quick Access Toolbar. This is the Send to Microsoft PowerPoint button. Make sure your document is open and ready, then click on that newly added button. As soon as you click it, Microsoft PowerPoint will automatically open and begin creating a presentation based on your Word document. Depending on your system settings, the file may open in Protected View, which is normal. If needed, click Enable Editing so you can make changes. You'll now see that each heading from your Word document has been converted into individual slides. Scroll up or down in the PowerPoint window to review your slides and check the formatting. From here, you can apply a design theme, adjust layouts, add images, animations, or make any additional edits you need. And that's it. You've successfully turned a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation without copying and pasting anything manually. This is a huge time saver, especially for reports, training materials, or structured documents that already use headings properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.